everybody, it is Louisa and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be doing a bit of a different one. I'm going to be telling you guys what I got in my year 10 mocks, because I had my mocks like quite a few weeks ago, but we only got our results like 2 weeks ago, but I just haven't got around to filming the video. And quite a few people actually asked me on Instagram like what I got in my mocks, so I thought I'd just do a video on it. And I also wanted to do this video for like my own sake, to see how much I improve from now until my actual GCSEs. Yeah, and also if you are in year 10 or year 11, you might find this video quite interesting to compare your results. And obviously what I think's good or what I think's bad was probably going to be different to what you think. So yeah, if you think I'm trying to brag or I'm trying to say that these results are really bad or these results are really good, then obviously everyone else has their own opinions about like how good grades are. Please don't hate on me. I'm not doing this video to show off. I'm literally doing it because people asked me what I got, and I really want to do like what I got in my actual GCSEs as well. Make sure you give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. So I'm going to start off with telling you guys what subjects I do, because I think I've told you before, but like you might not have like watched the video where I told you. So the subjects that I do are triple science, so biology, chemistry and physics. I do English literature and English language. I do maths and further maths because I'm in top set, so we have to do further maths, which is kind of annoying, but I mean it's an extra GCSE, so it will. And then my options are French, history, geography and drama. So altogether I think I'm doing 11, I'm not too sure. But I actually only have 8 results to tell you guys, because for the year 10 mocks we only did 1 maths, we didn't do further maths, and we just did 1 English, so we didn't do separate English. And I was also ill for my geography exam, so I don't have the results for that, but I did do it, but they just haven't put my results on this report card. But I'm just going to stop yabbering on and tell you guys what I got. I'm just going to go down the subjects as it is on here. So I think it's alphabetical order from like the start letter of the subject. So I'm going to start off with biology. I got 44%, which is a grade 4. But yeah, a grade 4 is a C, by the way, so it's like a pass. I mean, I was kind of like disappointed with this because like I wanted to get like a 6 maybe, but it was a really hard test and my teacher actually like said that I did well. I mean, it's not bad, like obviously I can improve on it, but it's just not amazing, I don't know. The next subject is chemistry. In chemistry I got 53%, which is a grade 5, which is a high C. So yeah, again I was wanting a 6, but like I'm not really that bothered because they're only year 10 mocks. Moving on to drama, I got 78%, which is a 7, which is an A. I'm so happy with this because I love drama. I'm not the best at acting, but I enjoy it, if you know what I mean. Like it's not something that I'm good at, but I like it, so that's why I do it. But I also like the writing side to it, because the writing side to it is like 70% of the mark. I'm really happy with that. Hopefully I'll get that in my actual GCSE or an 8, which would be nice. Then moving on to English, I got 76%, which is a grade 8, which is an A-star, which I'm really happy about because yeah, I'm not even that good at English. Like I'm in set 2, but I wouldn't say I'm not good at it, so I'm really happy with that. And then moving on to French, I got 71%, which is a 7. I got an A, again really happy with that. I've always really liked French. I really like speaking in different languages because I just find it really interesting. I'd love to be fluent in French as well. So yeah, really happy with that. Moving on to history, this is the one where I'm like shocked about this result because I thought I'm so bad at history, but clearly I'm not that bad. So I got 87%, which is an 8, which is an A-star. I was a few marks off a 9 as well, so I'm really happy with that. History is really hard and I was struggling so much on it and I didn't know whether to drop it. And then second to last, maths, I got 92%, which is a 9. I've always like had a passion for maths. I've always really enjoyed it. I've always been in the top set for it. As I said, I'm doing further maths, but I didn't have a further maths paper. Yeah, I'm really happy with that result. Hopefully I can keep it up for next year. I don't really have that much to say about each result. I'm just kind of telling you the results. So moving on to physics, I got 67%, which is a 7. I was 1 mark off an 8, which is an A-star, which is so annoying. Hopefully I'll get like an A-star for my actual GCSE because I actually really enjoy physics. Everyone thinks I'm crazy when I say that I love physics, but I just really enjoy it. Probably because there's quite a lot of maths in it, but I just really like it and I really want to do well in it. So yeah, that's all of the results that I got. These aren't like, they are real mocks, but they're not like the year 11 mocks. They're year 10 mocks. I don't know how to explain it. It's the exact same as like GCSEs, like they're in the sports hall, which is where we have our GCSEs, and it's all like GCSE papers and everything. So they're basically like the year 11 mocks, but year 10. I don't know how to explain it. But that is all the results that I have. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys all next week for a new video. Bye!